Good morning. So, per schedule, the walk Rupert, then run to the gym. I don't have a busy day at work today, so I just need to return some stuff and get a different size in that. And edit. I started editing more videos last night. And that's about it. Who knows what today's adventure will be. Right now it's kind of dry, but it's okay. Because every day isn't adventurous or anything. I didn't take down a Christmas tree. Say good morning, Rupert. You say good morning? Or you just gonna keep stretching? Stretch again. I don't know what he's doing, but anyway. I have got my camera off, but let's see what shoes I'm gonna wear. Yo, why does my knee itch? Alright, y'all, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. This is a mess. I hate it. It's just stuff everywhere. So, update for you guys, because you don't know. I had thought I made a video about this, but I can't find it. Because sometimes what happens is I just vlog. Then when it's time to put everything on my MacBook, it's like, what goes with what? And I use my phone, so it just be too much. So then I be ending up deleting it. But baby, when I tell you it is cold out there, I got freaking frostbite on my ears. My nose red. Y'all, was a man out there sleeping. Oh, it just bothered me so much. I about cried. Well, I just teared up. Because I came in the house and took my blanket. Thing dirty. Took my blanket off the couch and put it in the dryer and took it to him. Because he was freezing. Let me feed Rupert. I'm waiting for the gym to open. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I really need to do a deep clean, and I feel like I need to get rid of some stuff. Like, I just got too much stuff. Yeah, I'm really trying to stop having so much stuff, because I just don't think it's good for you. I don't. And I just have too much. And then half the time, half of the stuff I have, I just feel like I don't wear it. Well, most of it is spring, summer, so that's a little different. I don't really have many winter clothes. I'm not going out in the winter. It'd be cold. But, look, my nose still a little red. I ain't got nothing to talk about. I'm just waiting for the gym to open. Normally the walk is like a little bit longer because I start late, but I started on time when my alarm went off. I got my butt up. But yeah. Still a little sleepy. I really am. Oh my goodness. You know, seeing that, it just makes you be like, you know, nothing else matters in this world when you see stuff like that homeless guy. Why do I be seeing that? What is this? He's been liking myself for a minute now. He looks like a really good person. It's family oriented. Do you like to travel? He look tall. He do seem like a good person. I ain't gonna lie. I wonder if I know him. Where's his business? We a baby. I don't know, buddy boy. He 2 years younger than me. What is this? This looks so familiar. Like I literally just saw it the other day. I think I did. That's my client. Let me know if I do have her schedule today. I can remember. Oh, tomorrow at 8. Okay, cool. When we go back to Wednesdays, girl. Oh, I do have her. If I had just looked at my phone. Alright, so I'll leave that phone here. I'm just not feeling that hair. I'm not. You can't have no hair if you want to date me. What? He got that? Let me find out. Okay. What is that necklace? Let me see. Blue and gold. Alright, I can start running. No, that ain't it. I feel like it's Jill. Is that them? I know I've seen that before. Oh, it's gonna bother me. I got to see what you about, baby, because I believe in Jesus. Let me turn this down so y'all know who it is. You just never know who watch these days. He could use a little bit of my touch, but I just honestly, I'm be real honest with y'all. I'm just not really trying to date nobody in Richmond. I'm not. Like, ooh, just saying that gave me chills. Oh my goodness. Like, I don't want nobody in this city. You hear that, Lord? Like, they're just so gross to me, and they don't, besides that person, they don't be really having nothing going for themselves. It'd be sad. Alright, let me go. Alright, I'll see y'all at the gym. I'll show y'all my little workouts or whatever. Okay, so today I'm starting off at the Stairmaster. This isn't the speed I'm gonna go. I'm just, showing you guys before I get going. But this is why I like this gym, because there's no one here. Well, maybe like 2 to 3 people, but anyway, let's get started. Let's do time. Okay, you guys, so we're going to be starting off with abs first, and I'll be using the ball to assist me because I have issues with my lower back because I just have too much booty. So this helps relieve the pressure. So all the reps I'm going to do, I will be putting on the screen. That way you guys can see how much I did in the gym. So going to our next workout, we are just going to be putting the weights on our shoulders, and we're going to be doing squats. And this really helps with the balance in my lower body because I am big on lower body. I just want my legs to look really good because I do show them off a lot in the spring and summer. So that's a great workout. Next, I'm going to be doing kettlebell swings. Now, the kettlebell swings, I was told that they are a full body workout. Like, they look easy and it looks like you're just swinging something, but once you finish, you're definitely going to be out of breath. Next is going to be lunges. I have a love-hate for lunges. I hate how they make me feel because they do hurt. However, it's a great workout for me, and that's why I love them, because the results are amazing. So I'm going to do them going that way and then coming back. And yeah, they suck. That's all I can say. Alright, so the next one is more ab workouts, and once again, it takes pressure off of my lower back. I'm just going to do these standing up. And then for our burnout, we are going to do burpees. This is a great finisher to really get you in tip-top shape. I suggest doing burpees or sprints. But yeah, that is it for my workout. And that's round one. That took us 2 minutes and 45 seconds.